The heart is responsible for delivering blood to all parts of your body. It supplies oxygen and other nutrients where needed. The arteries carry oxygen-rich blood away from your heart to nourish your body. Veins carry oxygen-poor blood from your body to your heart. The pump. Your heart is actually two pumps that work side by side to move blood around your body. The right side of your heart pumps blood to your lungs to receive oxygen. The left side sends the oxygen-filled blood out to your body. Each side of your heart has two compartments or chambers. The top chambers are called the atria, and the bottom ones are called the ventricles. The four valves act like one-way gates and keep blood flowing from one chamber of your heart to the other without moving backward. These are the tricuspid valve, the pulmonic valve, the mitral valve, and the aortic valve. The tricuspid valve and mitral valve are located between the atria and the ventricles. The pulmonic valve and aortic valve are located between the ventricles and the major blood vessels leaving your heart. When the atria become filled with blood, the walls of the chambers squeeze or contract and the blood gushes through the mitral and tricuspid valves into the ventricles. Once the ventricles are filled, the valves close. The muscles in the ventricles then contract, which forces open the pulmonic valve and the aortic valve. Blood coming out of the right ventricle goes to your lungs. Blood coming out of the left ventricle goes into the aorta and then to the arteries where it is distributed to all parts of your body. When the contraction ends, and the ventricles begin to relax, the pulmonic and aortic valves snap shut. This action happens quickly and is what causes the familiar loop-dub rhythm called your heartbeat. The electrical system. The rhythm of your heart is controlled by a built-in electrical system. The SA node is where your heartbeat begins. It is sometimes called your heart's natural pacemaker. The SA node is located in the right atrium. It is made up of special pacemaker cells that send impulses to the AV node. The AV node is in the center of your heart and acts as a relay between the atria and the ventricles. When the SA node fires, the atria contract, and an impulse passes to the AV node. Once the impulse passes through the AV node, it travels down through nerve fibers to the bottom of the ventricles, causing the ventricles to contract and squeeze blood out of your heart. Your heart, like any muscle, requires its own supply of blood. The coronary arteries carry oxygen-rich blood to your heart muscle. Veins carry blood depleted of oxygen away from the heart muscle.